Greetings to everybody. My name is Grace Esshalina Misak and I'm from UITM Cawangan Sabah Campus, Kota Kinabalu. This video is dedicated to my video presentation assignment for AGR 122. Title of this video is Monocots and Dicots plants. Plant kingdom has been divided into 5 subgroups: Thelyphyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm, and Angiosperm. Angiosperm are also seed-bearing plants with well-differentiated plant body. Seed germinates from embryonic leaves called cotyledons. Depending on the number of cotyledons present in seeds, angiosperm are divided into 2 groups: monocotyledons or monocot and dicotyledons or dicots. For dicot plants, these plants have 2 seed leaves, have well veins forming a net in their leaves, root well developed, which is taproot, almost have all the hardwood tree species, pulses, fruit, and vegetables. Characteristic of dicots: seeds have 2 cotyledons. In the vascular part cambium exists. The flower of plants have multiply of 4 or 5 petals. These dicot plants have secondary growth. Some examples of dicot plants are pea, potato, sunflower, rose, banyan, apple, and neem. For monocot plants, leaves of these plants are much longer than broad. Stem of monocots lack cambium and it hence increase a little except palm trees. Characteristic of monocot plants: in the seed of these plants, 1 cotyledon is found. Their leaves have parallel venation. The roots of these plants are not developed, which is fibrous root. The flowers are trimerous, have 3 or multiply of 3 petals. In vascular part, cambium doesn't exist. Vascular bundles are scattered throughout the cross-section of the stem. Secondary growth from a vascular cambium is absent. Pollen grains have 1 opening. Some examples for monocot plants are corn, grasses, lilies, rice, palms, yuccas, sugarcane, barley, and coconut. Characteristic and differentiation between apples, which is dicots, and corn, which is monocots. Dicot embryos have a pair of cotyledons. Monocot embryos have a single cotyledons. Taproot system exists in apple tree, which is dicots. Fibrous root system exists in corn, which is monocots plants. Leaves in dicots have reticulate or nate venation. But in corn, which is monocots, leaves in monocots have parallel venation. Multiple of 4 or 5 or equal to 4 or 5 for parts of the flower in dicot plants. Multiple of 3 or equal to 3 for parts of the flower in monocot plants. For apple tree, the roots and stem of dicotyledons possess a cambium and have the ability to increase in diameter. The roots and stem of monocotyledons do not possess a cambium and cannot increase in diameter. The stem of dicot are usually tough. They can grow wider each year and are often branched. The stem of monocots are usually unbranched and fleshy. They do not grow thicker from year to year. That's all from me for monocot and dicot plants. Thank you.